Hello, Sawyer. Went in and looked, and this is the only problem you've not completed in the homework. Use appropriate extended graph to find all values of x from negative 2 pi to 2 pi that satisfy the open interval that satisfy the following equation. So cotan of x equals 0. So I guess I just went to page 138, and in red here is a cotan of x from negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi. And so we want to find out where the y value is 0 or the x-intercepts. And, I've already marked those. That's where it crosses x-axis. Here's negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi. So it crosses here, here, crosses 4 times, and I actually have labeled those. It crosses at negative 3 pi halves, negative pi halves, positive pi halves, and 3 pi halves. So, following the directions, it says look at this graph and where are the y values 0, or what are the x-intercepts from negative 2 pi to 2 pi. Hope this helps.